Here we are, NASA Space Center, Houston. I'm gonna go inside and explore all the cool stuff. And by the way, that's a 747, the actual 747 they use for the satellite launch. Let's go inside. It's quite windy and really busy, very crowded.
So when the chance came to visit Johnson Space Center, I quickly jumped into it. Admission to Space Center Houston is $29.95 for adults and $24.95 for children. It's a hub of human space activity and also acts as a museum that serves to inspire and educate future generation of astronauts. We headed straight towards the tram tour, and oh god, how busy it was. We were in the queue for almost 3 hours, but once inside the tram, the trip was very quick.
After waiting for almost 2 hours, here we are, and so we arrived somewhere around 12:30, and it's almost 3 right now. And, we finally got inside this.
Once inside the tram tour, you realize how huge this place is, and it is really massive. It feels like we are in a different town altogether. Start in the Destiny Theatre and work your way through the Starship Gallery. First of all, aren't those the coolest names ever? Starship Gallery. Just think about it. Houston, we have a problem. Most people recognize this line from the movie Apollo 13. Mission Control. Depending on the NASA schedule, you may see both the historic Mission Control and the new Mission Control. We weren't that lucky, so we only got to see the old Mission Control. The Destiny Theatre shows a short film about United States motivation and effort to get to the space. From the Starship Gallery, pass into the Moonrock Vault, where you can see and touch Moonrock. Building 9, Vehicle Mock-up Facility, the super cool building where NASA works on new projects. Here you can see replicas of the ISS and the Orion capsule, and vehicles and robotic teams working hard at the projects. It's a perfect day trip if you are visiting the Houston area, especially if you or someone in your family loves space as much as I do. A small rocket park where you can see a full-size Saturn V rocket plus some other rockets and boosters. At the time of my visit, they were displaying a series of kills and spacesuit designed by artists. There are also replicas of Moonlander and ISS hanging from the ceiling. With your time ticket in hand, head outside to Independence Plaza, prepared to be wowed by the massive plane and space shuttle sitting outside. They seem large from the parking lot. They are even more impressive when you stand right next to them. After all the spacewalk and talks, it was time to head towards ground, and we decided to hit the golf. Well, I haven't golfed before, so it was fun to explore all the possibilities that I could. Well, don't count the number of times I've missed. So overall, it was an amazing experience visiting Space Center Houston. So if you are planning to visit Houston, make sure Johnson Space Center is in your list.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?